The mobile phone is the most complex object the average human will ever own. A device containing billions of transistors, miles of microscopic circuitry, and rare elements sourced from every corner of the globe. But how does a slab of glass and metal become a window to the world? To find out, we enter the high-precision world of the modern megafactory. Raw materials, lithium from Chile, cobalt from the Congo, and aluminum are processed into ultra-pure industrial grades. The process truly begins in the SMT, surface mount technology line. This is a sterile, Class 10,000 cleanroom. Here, the PCB rear system is born. First, a high-speed printer applies a precise layer of solder paste through a laser-cut stencil. Then, pick-and-place robots, moving faster than the human eye can follow, deposit thousands of microscopic components like resistors, capacitors, and the brain, the SoC. The boards enter a reflow oven, where controlled heat melts the solder, permanently bonding the components in a nitrogen-rich environment to prevent oxidation. For premium phones, a solid block of aerospace-grade aluminum is carved by CNC machines over several hours. This is followed by anodizing, an electrochemical process that gives the metal its color and hardness. Meanwhile, the display, the OLED or LCD panel, is bonded to the ultra-thin chemically strengthened glass in a vacuum chamber to ensure zero dust particles are trapped between the layers. Now, the organs are prepared. The cameras, tiny image sensors, are paired with multi-element plastic or glass lenses and calibrated for optical image stabilization. Lithium-ion cells are wrapped in heat-shielding tape and fitted with protection circuit modules. Linear resonant actuators are tested for the precise click feel you experience during use. The components converge on the final assembly line. Human technicians and robotic arms work in a choreographed dance. The PCB is screwed into the chassis. Flex cables, thinner than a human hair, are snapped into connectors. The battery is glued down with high-strength pull tabs. Finally, the display is pressed onto the frame using specialized waterproof adhesives and held under pressure to ensure an IP-rated seal. The phone is blank until this moment. It is plugged into a high-speed server where the operating system is flashed onto the UFS storage. Once it boots, the calibration begins. Every sensor, the gyroscope, the accelerometer, and the light sensor is tuned. The cameras are pointed at specialized charts to ensure focus and color accuracy are perfect. Before it leaves, the phone must survive the gauntlet. Tumble tests. Rotating drums drop the phone hundreds of times. Environmental chambers. Phones are baked at 60 degrees Celsius and frozen at -20 degrees Celsius. In anechoic chambers, the phone's antennas are tested to ensure they can catch a signal in the weakest areas. The final step. A robot scans the unique IMEI number. The phone is placed into its retail box, accompanied by its documentation and cables. The box is shrink-wrapped, palletized, and loaded onto a cargo plane. From a grain of sand to a handheld supercomputer. The next time you wake your screen, remember the symphony of machines that brought it to life.